Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Macbor Montana XR1 125 EVO, a lightweight adventure bike that blends style, technology, and performance for the everyday explorer. Whether you're a beginner or just craving a nimble, go-anywhere machine, this bike might just be your next two-wheeled companion. At the heart of the Montana XR1 125 EVO is a 4-stroke, single-cylinder engine, 5 Euro Plus compliant, built for efficiency and reliability. Displacing 125 cubic centimeters, with a 58 by 47 mm bore and stroke, and a compression ratio of 12.0 to 1, this compact motor pushes out a solid 11 kilowatts, or 14.9 horsepower, at 9,500 RPM. Torque? You've got 11 Nm at 7,500 RPM, giving you punchy performance for city streets and weekend trails. Fueling is managed through electronic fuel injection, and starting is smooth with a reliable electric starter. The Montana XR1 125 EVO measures 2,120 mm in length, 845 mm wide, and stands 1,290 mm tall. It features a welcoming seat height of just 780 mm, making it approachable for a wide range of riders. With a curb weight of 179 kilograms and a 1,375 mm wheelbase, it strikes a solid balance between stability and agility. Up front, a 37 mm hydraulic inverted fork delivers 120 mm of travel, while the rear boasts a preload adjustable hydraulic monoshock for tackling both urban and trail terrain. Braking is handled by a 265 mm front disc with a dual piston floating caliper and a 240 mm rear disc with a single piston caliper. Plus, it features a 3-mode ABS system. Choose between full ABS, ABS OFF, or rear-wheel ABS off, perfect for off-road flexibility. Riding on tubeless adventure tires, you'll get a 190-18 at the front and a grippy 130-80-17 at the rear, designed to offer confidence on both paved roads and dirt trails. Up front, you'll find a 5-inch full-color TFT dashboard featuring Carbit ride connectivity, letting you mirror your smartphone for maps, music, and more. Lighting is fully modern, with full LED headlights and rear lights, offering excellent visibility day or night. Fuel up for the journey ahead with a generous 14-liter tank. That's more range than most entry-level bikes in its class. In conclusion, the 2025 Macbor Montana XR1 125 EVO delivers premium adventure bike styling and technology in a learner-friendly package. Whether it's daily commutes or weekend escapes, this lightweight explorer is your gateway to adventure. Thanks for joining. Ride safe and ride smart.